Hi, today we're going to look at the AP330. As you can see, this has come perfectly boxed from WatchGuard. It's in its eco box, so it's easily to actually recycle. When we open this box up, as you can see, very easy, thank you, done. You get a quick start guide. Now we'll go into the quick start guide in a minute. We'll put the AP to one side and we have a box of tricks. So what do we get? First off, the quick start guide. In here, it'll actually show you the components that comes with it. So not only do you get the AP, you get the T-rails now. And the T-rails, there's a special T-rail with extra holes in it, and you get screws and mounting and a spacer point. We'll talk about and put them in a bit. Other things, it shows you how to actually mount this not only on the wall but on the T-rails, how to use the PoE plus injectors to power it, or if you have a PoE plus switch, because without PoE plus you're not going to get the full signal range. Another thing for you to be aware of is the lighting system on this. Now with these new Wi-Fi 6, WatchGuard have totally re-engineered how the lighting display works. No longer is these new 3, 4, 5 lights flashing at you in different sequences to tell you what's going on. It's very simple. Red means not connected to the cloud. Blue means it's connected. Life is good. Okay, into the box we go. So first box, and we can see here we instantly get our brackets. Now these are the T-rails, all the same, but one thing you'll notice that if I turn the actual AP over, they're actually on a sliding clip, so they slide and clip in simply like that. So it's very easy to actually mount them onto the T-rails and then come along and actually slide the AP in place. But not only that, with this one you've got extra holes and spaces with the little bag of tricks. That allows you to mount it directly onto a flat wall or onto a ceiling. Now WatchGuard also have got a desktop stand as well, and that desktop stand can be rotated at a 45-degree angle and mounted on the wall as well as a part of the accessory pack. So that one is definitely worthwhile looking at. But that is how I prefer to mount my AP on the ceiling. Literally this way. You could go even closer if you want and actually use these lugs to actually mount it onto the wall, but I prefer the ability to slide it in and slide it off. I find it a cleaner way. When we look at actually how we actually connect this AP up, well, first off, there is the 12-volt DC, and we have the PoE plus LAN connection. Now this is a whopping 2.5 gig interface, so you don't need to lag that interfaces to have two to be able to get more throughput. So it's 2.5, I'll handle that, because remember this AP is a 2x2 radio with 6 omni aerials. It also has a scanning radio in there, and it also has a BLE in it. So I don't believe the BLE is enabled at the first launch of the APs, but I'm sure that will be coming soon. Console port, USB ports, we'll find out more, and also the reset. But let's have a look at the AP. Wow, look at this. Super thin, super lovely compared to its predecessor. The 325 was quite thick, quite heavy to mount. This is a lot lighter, I actually would say. Another thing is, as you go around and you look at the size of it, it does have a Kingston lock, so you're able to lock this directly to the wall so that hopefully it doesn't go walkabout. But at the end of the day, completely looking different, completely different design. I like the look of this, and I'm sure everyone will like the look of them when they put them on their walls. Anyway, that's what's in the box, that's what's in the APs. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye bye.